So the exhibition, This Hideous Replica, ran from August to November 2024 here at RMIT Gallery. It's a pretty expansive show. There's about 15 artists involved in the exhibition, and they're all making works about this one idea, which is that we live in a world of replicas, doubles, clones, reproductions. And in that world, there's a lot of uncertainty. There's a lot of ambiguity about, what's true, what's false, what's fake, what's real. And so the show really thematizes this idea of replication as one of the characteristic features of contemporary life. And of course, you can't talk about replication in 2024 without also talking about artificial intelligence, machine learning, generative AI, and the notion that machines can replicate many of the things that we used to think of as human culture, human production, human thinking. There was a really extensive public program associated with this exhibition. We called it Replica School. The idea being that it was a school about replication, where we learn about replication, but it was also a replica of a school, the idea of a kind of double school or a model school in which certain experimental forms of pedagogy could be tried out. This guy here is a clone who was produced by participants in a workshop which was called Build Your Own Clone. It was run by the Greek artist Anna Vassov. The idea is that this guy is in a Zoom meeting or a Teams meeting. It's an endless one. He's been in it for 3 months. And the front of house staff here at RMIT Gallery have been moving these clones around from time to time, thinking of them a little bit like interns or front of house staff that can greet visitors when they attend the exhibition.